Welcome to the Middle East AI News Minute for Thursday, September 28th, brought to you by Carrington Malin, marketing for an AI-first world. US electric vehicle maker Lucid Group has opened its first international manufacturing plant in Saudi Arabia's King Abdullah Economic City, or CAIC, north of the city of Jeddah. Lucid's AMP2 facility has already begun semi-knockdown assembly and is expected to have an annual capacity of 5,000 EVs. Lucid signed agreements to build the new plant in May last year. Next, the Saudi Data and Artificial Intelligence Authority will run 32 training camps focused on large language models in an effort to nurture a new generation of LLM experts. The first camp will begin on October 8th and will be held virtually over 4 weeks. And more residential and commercial communities in the UAE could be patrolled by drones as the country's climate heats up, according to private security company G4S. The company's World Security Report says that 46% of chief security officers believe climate change will become a security impacting hazard. These were today's top Middle East AI news stories, brought to you by Carrington Malin. See my weekly news digest for more stories and useful links. Thanks for listening.